Welcome to Njukuyak village, a beautiful and peaceful village located near the boundary of Manipur and Assam. Far away from the noise and busy life of the cities, Njukuyak is a place where nature and village life exist together in harmony. Surrounded by green landscapes, hills, forests, rivers, and fresh air, the village carries a simple beauty that cannot easily be described in words. As we enter Njukuyak village, the first thing we notice is the peaceful atmosphere. The roads, houses, fields, trees, and surrounding hills create a beautiful picture of rural life. Here, life moves at a different pace. People wake up with the sunrise, work throughout the day, and return home as the evening slowly covers the village. Njukuyak is not simply a place on the map. It is a home filled with memories, traditions, hard work, and the dreams of its people. The village stands in a region where Manipur and Assam come close together, making this area special not only because of its natural surroundings but also because of the connection between neighboring communities. The boundary may separate administrative areas, but it cannot separate the people, their relationships, their culture, and their shared love for the land. The beauty of Njukuyak can be seen everywhere. The green surroundings, fresh mountain air, peaceful mornings, and beautiful sunsets make the village a wonderful place for anyone who loves nature. During the morning, the village slowly comes alive. The sound of birds can be heard among the trees. People begin their daily work, farmers head towards their fields, and families begin another day of village life. For the people of Njukuyak, this land is more than soil. It is their home, their history, and their identity. Every path has a memory, every hill has a story, and every household carries generations of experiences. The younger generation also represents the future of Njukuyak. Many young people carry dreams of education, employment, development, and a better future while still remaining connected to their roots. Their hopes and efforts are an important part of the village's story. One of the most beautiful things about village life is the sense of community. People come together during celebrations, difficult times, social activities, and important occasions. Helping one another is an important part of life here. The traditional way of life, local food, customs, language, clothing, music, and community spirit make Njukuyak unique. These traditions are precious because they connect today's generation with the generations that came before them. As we look around the village, we can also see the importance of preserving nature. The forests, streams, rivers, hills, and agricultural land are valuable resources for the community. Protecting these natural treasures is not only important for today but also for the children and generations who will live here in the future. Njukuyak may not be a famous tourist destination, but sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones that remain hidden from the crowds. There is a special kind of beauty in a village where the air is fresh, the surroundings are green, and people still know the value of community and togetherness. For visitors, Njukuyak offers an opportunity to experience a different side of life, simple, peaceful, natural, and deeply connected to the land. And as we leave the village, one thing becomes clear: a village is not defined only by its buildings or roads. It is defined by its people, its stories, its culture, its memories, and the land they call home. Njukuyak village is a reminder that beauty does not always need to be grand or famous. Sometimes, beauty can be found in a quiet road, a green hill, a flowing stream, a warm smile, a peaceful morning, or the sound of children playing in their own village.